tree where I spotted the crow. Oh. I pulled my binoculars out of my bag so I could get a better look at the crow. And that was the last time I remember seeing my blanket. I'm sure of it. My blanket! Look!
Stations and cable systems of your area. Emergency alert system equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, evacuation, toxic release, or any emergency that you, the public, should be timely alerted, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves as a vital part of the Louisiana State Emergency Alert System. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
Should have been honest about how I was feeling earlier. I didn't want to ruin everyone's fun. Hey, congratulations again on that amazing goal, Forrest.
It was pretty amazing, wasn't it? And so was the pizza. Well, we should probably head home now. It looks like this mystery has been solved.
Not entirely. We still don't have a clue as to how Lana's blanket got stuck so high up in the tree. We may never know.